After introducing PST02 the A model, which is a 4-in-1 slim multi-sensor from Philio company, it's time to see how you can add it to different gateways. In this video, you will see how you can add it to Vera control units and how it works in this gateway. Stay with me. By the way, if you are interested in watching more videos about Z-Wave products, click the subscribe button. After running the Vera mobile application, at the top left corner of the display, I select the 4 lines. The menu list is displayed. I select devices. In the devices page, at the top right corner of the display, you can see a plus sign. I select plus sign. A drop-down list is displayed. Step 1. Select your device. From the list, I select the category of the device. I'm adding it to Vera. At the moment, we have a sensor, so I click Sensors. After selecting Sensors, another drop-down list is displayed. Among the different sensors from different brands, I look for Philio 4-in-1 slim multi-sensor, PST02 A model. I select it. Vera guides us how we should add this device to it. Okay, remove the Mylar tab from behind the battery. This will automatically put the sensor into pairing mode. The red LED will begin flashing. I click on Next. Vera enters into pairing mode and it remains in this mode for 1 minute. While Vera is in pairing mode, by taking out this Mylar, the sensor enters into NWI mode, or let's say pairing mode. LED is flashing. We wait till it is added to Vera control unit. Okay, Vera said that the device was configured, device is detected. The device stopped blinking. At this page, we can change the name of the device and we can assign a room to it. Okay, I'm done adding devices. I click in this button. Please wait, the engine is loading. Vera is configuring the device and the engine of it is loading. Device is added to Vera control unit. 4 items are displayed. 4-in-1 slim multi-sensor, which is the parent device, then light sensor, temperature sensor, door window sensor, and motion sensor. Motion sensor needs to be warmed up and it takes 1 minute. If I click on the arrow sign of the parent device, the setting of the device is displayed here. I can change the name of the device or change the room of it. in addition to deleting the device. So using Vera mobile app, there is not much we can do with the device. I mean the advanced setting of the device. Let's test the device. I remove the magnet. The door window sensor's color is changed to red. I put the magnet in its place. It's back to black. Each time the door window sensor is triggered or the motion sensor is triggered, the status of battery, the level of illumination, and the temperature is sent to the Vera control unit. This device has 3 operation modes. The first one is testing mode. When you enter it into any Z-Wave gateway, the device is in test mode. By default, if you install it and the tamper key is pressed over 5 seconds, the device enters into home automation mode. You can change the mode in the settings of the device. The last mode is security mode. Let's use a web browser to show you advanced setting of the device. Okay, in our browser, I click on devices. We have 5 devices. If I click on the arrow sign of the parent device, which is 4-in-1 a slim multi-sensor, then select device options. The list of configuration settings are displayed. Parameter number 3 is PIR sensitivity. By default, it is set to 80. Parameter 4 is light threshold. By default, it is set to 99. You can see the values it can get. Using this device, you can turn on lights based on illumination, and parameter number 4 defines it. By default, if the illumination level is less than 99, when the sensor detects movement or door window sensor is triggered, a command is sent to turn on the light. Operation mode. By default, it is set to 0. If you go to the manual of the device, parameter number 5, operation mode, all the items are described. The description is based on bits. It's hard to use bits. I prefer using decimal. In this website, mathsysfun.com, you can change binary to decimal. As an example, bit number 2 disables the door window sensor. 1 disable, 0 enables. Okay, by default it is set to 0. I want to disable the door window sensor. This is bit 2. What I should do is entering this item. This is bit 0, 1, 2. In decimal, it is 4. I change parameter number 5 to 4. Then I click on Save Changes. Click OK. Let's go to Devices. After changing configuration of the device, as it is displayed, waiting for wake up. To wake up the device, each of the tamper keys must be pressed once. The device wakes up and it's setting user configuration. Okay, by setting parameter number 5 to 4, door window sensor is disabled. You can see that Vera does not act or does not show anything about the door window sensor when I remove the magnet or put it back to its place. By going to the device options, you can see that operation mode is set to 4. I set it to 0, click on Save Changes. Parameter number 8, PIR detect interval. By default, it is set to 3. Each number in this parameter is 8 seconds. So 3 means 24 seconds. Parameter number 9 defines the time for turning off the light. Again, each number here in this parameter is 8 seconds. So 4 means 32 seconds. This item means that if the device is associated, after what time the switch must be turned off. The other items are very clear. So you saw how you can add this device to Vera control unit and how this device works in Vera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Goodbye.